Well, when disaster strikes, those in charge want to have as much information available to them as possible.
That's the goal of a brand new association to help emergency response and readiness in the Green Mountain State. Local 22's Stacy DeSilva is live with us actually in the studio to tell us about it. Hi, Stacy.
Hi, Glenn. The Vermont Emergency Management Association is technically still in its infancy. It just launched at the end of last month, but it's been in the works for several years. There is a similar group in New York. And it's not just to help emergency managers. This new resource can help you too. Preparing for and responding to emergencies is about saving lives and saving property.
Nobody can be a superstar for holding their own information. The success in emergency management is that everybody supports each other.
That's how Doug Babcock views the discipline in which he's made a career. The longtime police officer is also public safety and emergency management director at St. Michael's College. And now he's president of the just launched Vermont Emergency Management Association.
Any person who has a role of any kind in emergency management within the state of Vermont can join.
Babcock says the association came out of a need. There just wasn't a mechanism in the state for, say, flood prevention plans or training exercises to flow from one town to another.
If we have an association that can share in a pool, hey, I put this plan up, somebody else is going to ask a question that somebody at another point has solved. None of it's copyrighted, none of it's proprietary.
Membership requires a $25 annual fee. Babcock has plans for a software platform to share documents and a listserv to make it easy to communicate.
They can send one email out, hey, here's my problem, anybody addressed this before?
While separate, the association has the support of the state.
However that we can support emergency managers as well as the mission of the Vermont Emergency Management Association, will continue to do so. We really look forward to working with them to advance emergency management within the state of Vermont.
And in the end, the hope is everyday people can learn from it too.
An organization that needs some kind of training could come to us and say, do you have any classes? Would you be willing to do the legwork to set up a class? And we could be a partner in that.
So you don't have to be an emergency manager to join. It's open to anyone who may have a role when disaster strikes, from officials to business owners. As a nonprofit, the association does accept donations. I'll be posting a link to learn more on this story on our website. That's mychamplainvalley.com. Live in the studio, Stacy DeSilva, Local 22 News. Back to you.